everyone, Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Hope you all are doing great. And by the way, I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. So, this is most interesting and amazing video because in this video, I'm gonna share with you red jasper and turquoise combination necklace designs. Yes, you heard it right. Okay, let's start with the beautiful and the bold stone red jasper. Red jasper is not just another gemstone, it is a piece of the earth's fairy soul, a testament to strength, endurance, and grounding energy known as the supreme nurture. This deep crimson stone, often streaked with earthy patterns, has been revered for centuries across cultures. Ancient Egyptians adorned themselves with red jasper amulets, believing it to be the blood of mother, a source of protection and life force. Native American tribes saw it as a sacred stone of warriors, one that instilled courage and resilience in battle. Even today, red jasper carries a raw, unshakable energy, making it a perfect gemstone for those who seek confidence, motivation, and stability in life. Unlike translucent gemstone, red jasper possesses a rich, opaque texture with veins of darker red, brown, or orange running through its surface like ancient, untamed rivers. This unique marbling effect makes every red jasper necklace an individual masterpiece of nature, ensuring that no two pieces are ever alike. The stone's ability to ground energy, embrace emotional balance, and spark creativity makes it a favorite among artists, thinkers, and those who appreciate the finer subtleties of natural beauty. When polished and placed in jewelry, red jasper exudes an earthy warmth, a glow that feels both ancient and incredibly modern. It pairs beautifully with both bohemian and elegant fashion styles, seamlessly blending into any jewelry collection while standing out with its bold and fairy presence. The tranquil touch of turquoise, a stone of protection and peace. Turquoise, often called the stone of the sky, has long been admired for its vibrant blue green hue and mystical energy. Unlike the grounding red jasper, turquoise offers a sense of calm, clarity, and spiritual upliftment. Worn by Persian royals, Native Americans, and Tibetan monks. This gemstone has been a universal symbol of protection and wisdom for thousands of years. Its distinct color, often streaked with black veins, known as matrix, makes turquoise one of the most visually striking gemstones in the world. So many cultures have believed it to be a bridge between earth and like heavens, connecting the wearer to higher realms of consciousness while keeping them shielded from negative influences. As you have covered turquoise in detail in the previous video, so we will keep this section short and let it serve as a brief contrast to red jasper. And now I want to discuss about the powerful combination of these two amazing gemstones. A powerful contrast, the red jasper and turquoise combination necklaces. Imagine fire and water dancing together, two contrasting forces creating something breathtakingly beautiful. That is exactly what a red jasper and turquoise combination necklace represent. The perfect balance of strength and serenity, passion and peace, the grounded energy of earth and the limitless expansion of the sky. This dynamic pairing of gemstone creates a striking visual effect. The deep, rich red of jasper ignites a sense of power and warmth, while the cool, tranquil blues of turquoise offer a sense of peace and clarity. So, wearing a necklace crafted from these two stones is not just a fashion statement, it's a statement of inner balance, duality, and harmony. These necklaces come in various styles like beaded red, jasper, and turquoise necklaces, alternating beads of both stones creating a stunning contrast. Also, turquoise pendant on a red jasper chain, and the third one is the intricate wire wrap designs, means showcasing the raw beauty of both stones in a more artistic way. When worn, such a necklace can be both bold and soothing, drawing admiration for its rare yet natural elegance. Whether worn casually or as a statement piece, this combination has a unique ability to energize and calm the soul at the same time. Beyond aesthetics, red jasper and turquoise together hold powerful metaphysical properties like red jasper grounds and strengthens, provides emotional stability, boosts confidence, and support resilience in tough times. Also, on the other hand, a turquoise heals and protects, absorbs negative energy, enhances communication, and brings inner peace. When these forces unite in jewelry, they create a harmonizing effect, balancing ambition with wisdom, passion with patience, and earthly connection with spiritual enlightenment. That's all for the day. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, do subscribe my channel and share your reviews. Thanks for watching.